This is the main engine of light steel keel forming machine. This is an electric ankyler. This is a receiving rack, which is electric. Our debugging worker is ready to debug the machine. Let's go and have a look. This is the drawing needed for the test. The machine starts to run, and the electric ankyling starts to work. This is the punching part of the machine, which seems a bit complicated. This is the pressing roller part. Here are ink cartridges to print the logo or characters you want. The workers began to install. After installation, compare the drawings. Thanks for watching. Click to subscribe without getting lost.